How's it going, ding dongs? So as you know, my engine went caca-poo-poo, and I need a new motor. Today, we're going to Tyler's house. We're going to help him pull apart his LS430 that got totaled. And in return, I get the motor out of his SC400, because the LS430 motor is going in his SC400. So he's going to have an SC430, but not the ugly one, the nice one. Yeah, let's go pull apart another car. That seems to be the only thing I ever do right. There's a car, and that's a broken car. And we're gonna take it apart. But first... Damn, dude. It's fucking loud. When the fucking VVTi kicks in. Holy shit, this thing's loud as fuck.
It was a fast car for what it was.
Yeah, well, so that
turbo diesel's trying to
gonna go in that. So yeah, we're gonna pull the interior out and dump it in the shed. And that's what we've been doing right now. We were cleaning the shed out because this was all packed to the brim. So now we got some room, so now we can stack shit in here. Alright, I got the door panels out on this side. Tyler got the back seats out. We got the whole trunk liner out, besides the bottom thingy. All the parts are right here. If you guys got an LS, hit up Tyler. He'll sell you shit.
Come get it, please.
Please. We need it out.
I don't have room.
Dude, these seats are wild.
I know, Toyota was like, let's make these seats the best rear seats so that the driver doesn't want to drive.
Alright, what's next? Let's break our backs pulling the seats out.
Yeah. They're not that bad.
No?
No.
They're not like, are they heavy as SC seats?
Kinda.
Because I think I deserve a handicap sticker on my car for when I pulled the SC seats out. Dude, look how freaking massive. That's like a freaking truck bench.
It's got an airbag too.
Dude, shit's wild. Like compared to an SC seat, look how tiny that is. It's so cute and little. And then this fucking thing's just like...
Feed me your children. Yeah.
Oh, it's just a little booger. That looks heavy.
It's not as heavy as the SC seat, I think.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I find that hard to believe. Oh, dude, that's fucking heavy.
But
I don't know.
Look at what they put on the side of it, so that
your shit doesn't fall through.
Yeah, it doesn't fall through.
Fuck.
And then
why doesn't everybody do that?
This little tray in here.
Oh my god, drug trays for your cocaine.
Yeah.
Fucking rolling in style.
This is so...
Look how tall it is, dude.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a fucking truck in there. It's kind of crazy. The floor is super low on this car.
Yeah.
You can literally fucking stand inside it. Have a dance party in here, dude? Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. is about to die. But here's where we're at. I got the glove box out. I broke the vent.
We figured out how to bypass the security system.
So you put the valet key on there, and then you give her it. You're just giving her. Yep. God damn.
She's angry, boy.
My fucking ears, dude. I feel like I just got fucking shit in my ear.
Oh, that's that open exhaust.
We're gonna have to. Tyler's gonna have to get paintless dent repair on his hood there.
I'm gonna call some guys out.
Yeah,
I got a guy. He's really good. I think he can fix all this.
Yeah.
I don't know
There's
about
just a couple little scratches. It just needs a little polish.
I think I'm gonna have to call the wheel repair guys for the front wheel, but
yeah.
Other than that, I mean,
it's pretty good. It's good to go. We're just doing a deep cleaning here. You see how it's really dirty? We're just cleaning it up.
Everything. Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, we're just cleaning it up.
This is just disgusting.
Yeah, I'm gonna go swap this battery because it's literally about to die.
94 build.
Oh boy, we got thick rods in this bitch.
Yeah, right?
Fuck yeah! Got vertical coil, billet, fuel rail. Dude! Alright, I'm gonna boost this thing for now while I build my other one.
So here's the sticker from when I did the belt.
Oh hell yeah.
So 2 days before Christmas in 17. So
fuck yeah, dude.
3 years ago? Over 3 years ago?
Yeah, 3 years and 2 months.
I think it's only got like 20,000 miles on the belt.
Dude, fuck yeah.
Yeah.
So it looks like 93, 94, they updated the EGR. Oh, and you have the single throttle body too?
Yeah.
But I'm going to keep mine though, because mine's sandblasted now. Sandblasted and shit.
You could sandblast that one and have another one.
Dude, fuck. This is going to be so sick. Okay, so. Alright, so yeah, this is going to go. Dude, this is going to be easy.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck yeah, man. Oh, and Brian pointed out, so he asked me how much oil I had.
Yeah.
And when I got back, I checked. It was like right on the tip.
Oh.
That's what killed it. I didn't have enough oil in it.
Fuck, I'm really good at checking the oil on this thing. Like,
yeah.
Religiously, because it had.
No problem. And it runs so much smoother than mine.
Yeah.
I feel like mine, I don't know, maybe the ECU's bad or something.
I thought the ECU was bad this thing. Oh yeah, it's gonna need some valve cover gaskets.
Yeah, that's fine, because I'm swapping my valve covers onto it. So this is gonna get my intake, my valve covers, and I'm gonna reseal the oil pump, and it's gonna get my oil pan, and that's it.
Yeah, because that's really all I need off of this.
And it's gonna get a standalone ECU, so all of it
all
gone.
The wire will be cleaned up.
Yeah, all the wiring is gonna be gone. Yeah. It's gonna look exactly the same as mine. I'm gonna swap over my EGR block.
You won't even be able to tell the difference.
No, it'll look exactly the same as mine.
Put it right on.
And it runs so much better than mine.
Can you balance a quarter on it?
Let's build a thing of wine glasses. Hell yeah, dude, I'm excited. Dude, I'm so happy it's a thick rod. By the way, if you don't know, this is how you tell this is a thick rod. So only the thick rods have billet fuel rails and vertical ignition coils. If the ignition coil is facing forward and back and it has cast aluminum fuel rails, then it's a thin rod. That's about the easiest way to tell if it's a thick or thin.
I think that's how I had the coil pack. I don't remember. The timing belt, when I did it, I kind of...
Well, your coil pack's upside down. The plugs are on the bottom. It should be mounted here. This bracket right here goes to this bolt hole right there.
Oh, that's what it was.
Yeah, it goes. It's upside down.
Dude, I remember that was like the one thing. I thought when I had done the timing belt, I did the timing wrong because I plugged in this filter, but I didn't plug in the coil pack wire down here.
Oh, yeah, there's only one coil.
I'm like going to crank it, and it starts up, and it's running like total fucking...
Yeah, on half the cylinders.
Yeah. Or no, it wasn't even, because I had cut a wire on that side too.
Oh, yeah.
On accident. So it had 3 cylinders getting sparked to them.
What color do you think I should paint my bay? I was just thinking do it yellow, the whole thing. Think I should
The only reason I'd be worried about yellow is that yellow is going to get really dirty really fast.
Well, yeah, but I want to be able to see if I have leaks and shit.
Yeah.
That's the whole point. That's why people make white engine bays.
Yeah.
Because then you can see if you got leaks and stuff. So I'll probably just do a yellow engine bay. That'd be cool, I think. Just all
Flying
really
canvas.
bright.
Or do red.
Nah, because then the
People
engine
would
will
be
just like
it's a
blend
McDonald's car.
in. People have asked me that, alright? Sully asked me that. He's like, dude, are you fucking Ronald McDonald themed with this thing?
Yeah.
No, it's fucking Dragon Ball! Don't you fucking understand?
Don't you guys know?
Don't you know? Dude, I'm happy. I'm happy. This is the content that I'm looking for. So Tyler's gonna try to pull his dash out, and he's probably gonna cut his arm off.
He wants to see me bleed.
Yeah, I want to see the blood.
Bleed
So-
for the tube.
We got the. Yeah, that's snapped in half.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Some starving child could have eaten this.
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh!
what happened? How could this happen? I love this car so much.
This feels completely attached to something still. Have you
all
tried-
we need to do is get the harness.
Have you tried turning it on and off again?
Oh,
Or
here.
turning it off and on again?
Let's see.
Now try. You cut yourself.
No blood for you yet, Marty.
Ah, damn it!
This isn't a good video yet.
No.
Oh, yep. Nope.
Oh,
There will be blood.
there's blood. Well, but this wheel is fucking sick though. Look at
Oh
this.
man.
Woo.
Think that'll fit in my RC car? Oh yeah, I could totally make this work.
Ah! I tried screaming at it, it didn't work.
I mean, girls moan to get things accomplished, so why can't guys moan to get things accomplished? Right?
Hey, have you not watched tennis? Everybody moans. Ow, nice
There's
spot.
snow in my shoe.
Satan, that's not sugar.
This doesn't taste like sugar.
What the fuck happened?
Careful of my windshield. Gonna have to hit that.
Just peeling it off.
Damn Lexus and the sticky dash.
Bro, what the fuck is this made out of? Why is it not coming out?
I don't know, but I think we could feed this to something.
Oh, I see big bolts.
Oh man.
Let me see my drill. Can I see my
Go.
drill?
Here's the drill.
Oh, but I need the other thingy on.
This.
I need that on it. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm just gonna let go of the steering column.
Damn, Lexus, like, what secrets are you hiding behind this dash that you put it on like this?
Seriously, it's
I'm sure
fucking-
someone's gonna watch this video and be like, you know, you could have just taken this one bolt out
It's just
and it all would have fell right out. A little comment and be like, I could have had that out in one piece. Okay. Well,
yeah,
Where were you?
yeah. I don't see you helping us here, huh, guy? That can get it out in one
Random
piece.
YouTube commenter.
Yeah, where are you? This is all for sale, by the way. You can have all of this for $3.99. Just throw it in the back seat. There's plenty of room.
Oh, more blood.
Oh gosh.
That was a good one too. Is that what's holding it? What the hell are they?
Wait, I got a better idea. My legs are stronger than my hands.
Oh yeah, kick it.
That's the furthest it will go. Mine can't go any further. Hey, we got it out! I think. Almost.
Oh god. All this just to get to a wire harness.
Can we blow one of the airbags?
Of course.
Or are you gonna sell them? We're professionals. Okay, don't try
I've
this
done
at
this
home.
plenty of times.
Yeah, twice.
No, I've done a lot of airbag stuff.
Oh, airbags, yeah.
Like at my work, I'm the explosives expert.
Oh, that's a lot of blood.
So-
That's a lot of blood.
So we got two red wires here. So if we cut these yellow and the red, and we join a red and yellow, and then a yellow and red on the other one, and we touch it to a 9 volt, it'll blow off.
Sick.
Let me see that cutters.
Chorus.
Because I'm totally down to do that.
Oh, the door's locked? Okay, you ready? Oh my god! Jesus fuck!
That's why you don't leave stuff on your airbags, folks.
Oh my god! Holy shit! That was so loud! That was like a bomb! Holy fuck!
Dude.
That was really loud!
Look at around the sunroof seal. Like all the dirt and stuff that was coming off.
Oh my god! Holy fuck!
Smell that?
Yeah, it smelled good. That was so loud. I love how the two
awesome.
bolts perfectly penetrated. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice blow.
Oh my god.
That was fun.
I know. I want to post that in the LS page and get everyone all mad. I could have eaten that airbag.
You could have given that airbag to some kids.
You could have given that to some starving children. There we go. Good as new.
That's literally just a fucking explosion, dude.
Yep.
Hey, you need a passenger side airbag, let us know.
I think if I put some ramen noodles in that, it can fix it.
Some super glue and ramen.
Yeah, some super glue and ramen noodles.
Some super glue ramen can fix anything.
Yeah.
Alright, I forgot to film an outro for the last video. It's going live today, so I'm filming it right now as I'm editing. Before I end this video, just want to let you guys know these corner lights are now available to purchase. Link is in the description. These just fit perfectly in there. No modifications or anything. There's already been like a lot of orders. I only have one printer. It's gonna be a little while before I ship these, especially because these bolts right here, these little square nuts, I can only literally find one place to buy them, and it takes 2 weeks to get here, so might be a little bit of a delay on the shipping of those. Next video, we're pulling the motor out of the LS430, so you guys will see that. It was actually very easy. So we pulled the motor out of the LS430, and then we're gonna pull the motor out of Tyler's SC and put the LS430 motor in it, and then I'm gonna bring his old motor right here, swap the parts over, and be good to go. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Thank you for ordering these. It's a ton of help for me. Subscribe for the engine swap and everything, and go check out corner lights. All right, ding dongs. See you guys next week. Peace.
America, America. Do you have your passport?